Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and a tiny pinch of salt. Combine the dry ingredients in a small saucepan. Then, gradually whisk in the milk until the mixture is smooth. Heat it gently over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until it is hot and steaming but not boiling. This ensures a perfectly smooth base. To enhance the flavor without vanilla, try adding a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon or a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper for a warm kick. For a richer chocolate taste, stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of instant coffee or espresso powder. A few drops of almond extract can introduce a lovely nutty note. You could also add a splash of orange zest or melt in a small peppermint candy for a refreshing twist. These simple additions elevate your drink. For that luxurious, creamy texture, choose whole milk or a dairy-free option like oat or cashew milk. For an extra decadent touch, whisk in 1 tablespoon of heavy cream or half and half just before serving. Melting 1 square of good quality dark chocolate into the hot mixture will also add significant body and richness. If you prefer a thicker drink, simply let it simmer gently for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly. This creates a truly indulgent experience. Finally, elevate your hot chocolate with delightful serving suggestions. Top it generously with freshly whipped cream or a handful of fluffy mini marshmallows. A sprinkle of chocolate shavings, a dash of cocoa powder, or even a pinch of cinnamon adds a professional finish. Serve your warm beverage in a cozy mug alongside a crisp biscotti or a buttery shortbread cookie. For a festive touch, garnish with a candy cane or a sprig of fresh mint. Enjoy your perfect cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.